Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired July 28th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Becoming Servants of the Most High. Swami, your thoughts?
Either one life, not in the world, everywhere, always, is known, or many forms are thought to be in the world here and now. No one can serve two masters. Stop thinking and start knowing.
Looking to serve the one high life? Well, listen to the podcast. So visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam